I say, good sir, should we go hunting today?
It looks like a fantastic day to go hunting, if you understand, sir.
Yes, it is. All the birds and...
Birds! Crikey!
Oh, it's a beauty. Is it my...
Listen!
Listen!
And Jesus!
It sounds like an Australian woodpecker.
No! That's a so rare, especially in the sub-Asian countries.
We should catch it and hang it on a wall.
We should hang it from its toes.
From its toes. You're so bloody English.
Englishmen.
I know. Almost as English as I.
I don't know.
But
that's
we English do love embarrassing things after death. Like my grandmother when we shot her with a nail gun whilst in the grave.
That's quite a predicament that she would be in. However, that's not quite as bad as my granddad. It had his dick cut. It was quite possibly the ugliest thing I've ever seen.
My God, that must have sucked balls, if you know.
I know exactly what you mean. Get that.
We should get ready to go hunting. Let's get our equipment.
All right, chap.
Hunting equipment. Yes, the good old-fashioned British hunting.
The only thing that works now.
Here's your gun. Thank you, good sir.
I'll just use the hockey stick I've been carrying around the entire movie.
Indeed. Let's go.
Let's go.
Good.
You shot me!
No, I didn't.
You shot me!
Liar.
Okay, I'll just go again.
Okay, well, we have killed it. Or so it would seem.
Bloody hell!
Okay, let's keep hunting. There. Here's my trusty.
It's quite splendid kill on your part.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Sounds like the theme song to Jaws.
Go!
Where'd it go?
I don't know. I think he shot it. No. That's it!
Your hunting equipment.
No, wait. You must make strategies first. Okay, I knock the hat over, and you jump on it. Okay, ready? Set, go! Get him! Oh wait, this didn't matter.
It's coming back. It's coming back again.
Oh no, he's dead.
It appears as if we have lost him to the zombies.
Horrible.
As the mutants eat his corpse.
Ah, he's alive! He's alive!
He's returned as a zombie! You fear the zombie British people more than the American zombie.
Oh, we'll be able to hang it by
Oh,
his
you
toes.
bastard!
No, thank you.
You can join us in the hunt.
I'd love to join you in the hunt.
Please.
Let's go.
With my hunting equipment.
Indeed.
Right behind you, sir. By Jesus, it's the Terminator.
I could have sworn it was Scarface.
I don't know.
It's disgusting.
Follow the cat.
No, Johnny! No. So, how's it going, Hot Shots? You anything snack? No?
Yeah,
Alright. Tomorrow, we're here again. Just call me at 281 555 691 Like that. Yep.
Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Hey, get over here.
Bloody hell, it's quite an interesting smell.
Eat the bloody chips!
Alright, good shot. Here's what we do. Yes, you, especially you, Mr. Knight. This is a big part for you in this.
You're a solid player.
You are our only true solid player. Sam, you don't need to talk. You are.
Shut up.
You are backing
Hey, we're trying to plan something.
Okay, we're trying to. Okay, now look, Mr. Knight. You take the front line and you draw your sword and ram it through all of their gauntlets. That will establish an opening for which we can put the football.
Like a plan. No, then I will snatch the rugby ball from their dead hands.
We're not playing rugby, Mr. Skittlefish.
What else do we play in England? Oh, cricket, right. Okay, we're playing cricket.
Okay, so we're playing cricket. You think...
Pay attention. Look at me when I'm talking to you.
No.
Pay attention.
Okay, now you
Pay attention.
you will
Stop messing with the space.
Okay. Anyway, you.
We will grab the cricket ball and shove it down their throats.
No, I say we shove it up the ass.
Ooh. It's just horribly inappropriate. What?
Well, I apologize.
Get your mind out of the gutter.
I'm sorry. It's just the gunner.
What do you think, Mr. Knight? What do you think?
He's asleep.
No, he's not. He's telling me something. Oh, really?
No,
No anal butt sex, Mr.
Yeah,
Knight.
no, Mr. Knight. That's very immature.